Hello viewers, a good number of people want to buy tablets during Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale. Actually, Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Sale are the biggest sales of the year. You will get huge discounts on tablets, smartphones and smartwatches and many other things. But when will the sale begin? This is the question that many users are asking. I have been following tech and also Flipkart and Amazon for the last few years, and I noticed that they actually start the sale 1 month before Diwali. So this year Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale may begin in the last week of September. Some users want to know about the prices of many tablets, and if you talk about Amazon's Great Indian Sale, actually the sale will begin on the same day with Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale. Now, what will be the card offers on Flipkart and Amazon? Last year, when Big Billion Days was running on, there was discounts on ICICI and Kotak credit cards, and on Amazon, there was discounts on SBI and HDFC credit cards. Next, when Diwali sale started in Flipkart, actually the card changed and there was SBI and HDFC offer on Flipkart, and on Amazon actually ICICI and Kotak card were offering discounts on products. But if you don't have any credit card, in that case also you will get 10% discounts on debit cards, but it may be limited to 1000 rupees only. Actually, this is not possible to say right now what will be the offers on debit cards, but I would suggest you to manage some credit cards from your friends and family members to get the best discounts in the best ever deal on Flipkart and Amazon.in. If you are planning to buy any tablet right now and you are getting discounts on any tablet such as iPad 10th generation, iPad Air 5th generation, Oneplus Pad and Oneplus Pad 2, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE or S9 FE Plus, Redmi Pad Pro, Lenovo P12 or any other tablet, I would suggest you not to buy any tablet right now if you don't have any urgency, because in Big Billion Days sale you will get great offers. Actually, many users are laughing at the price point. I have speculated the prices of many tablets during Big Billion Days sale, and for that reason some users are mocking me and they are saying that these prices are not possible in Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale. For example, I have said that you will get iPad 10th generation in Big Billion Days sale at 22 to 23k, and you will get Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus under 20,000 rupees and OnePlus Pad 2 under 30,000 for the 128GB version. Though these are only speculations, but if you follow the trends for last 3 to 4 years, you can see that actually people got a very good deal during Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale. So this year also you may expect great offers on these products. Are you planning to buy any tablet? Let me know in the comment sections below, and if you have any questions regarding any tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. I regularly post videos on offers on smartphones and tablets, so stay tuned for those offers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.